Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to determine which of the following expressions is equivalent to 2x plus 5 minus 8x squared minus 20x. And we're going to use the FOIL method on each one of these. I'll remind you, it means we're going to do the first, the outside, the inside, and the last. We're going to use distributive property, and we're going to multiply. 2x times 1 is 2x. 2x times a negative 4x is going to be a negative 20x squared. Negative 5 times 1 is a negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 4. X is a plus 20x. And you can see we have a negative 5, we have a plus 5 there. We have a negative 20x, we have a negative 20x and a plus 20x, which means it's going to cancel out. So this does not match. We're going to try the next one. 2x, negative 8x squared plus 5 minus 20x. We have everything that we had up here, a 2x and a 2x, a negative 8x and a negative 8x, a positive 5 and a positive 5, and a minus 20. So we've already found our solution, but let's go ahead and finish these out to prove they're not the correct solution. That doesn't match up at all. Let's try this one. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.